Silicon Valley-nya tekstil di Taiwan. Industri tekstil Taiwan memiliki klaster-klaster industrial yang luas dengan rantai pasok terintegrasi mulai dari hulu hingga hilir dan terlibat secara aktif dalam kancah global. Bercirikan produksi yang fleksibel, responsif dan layanan menyesuaikan dengan keinginan atau selera pelanggan. Dikenal secara internasional dengan teknologinya yang inovatif, industri tekstil Taiwan juga menerapkan inspeksi produk dan kontrol kualitas serta mempraktikannya secara berkelanjutan dan berjuang menuju otomatisasi dan inteligentisasi. Dengan demikian, Taiwan dapat dikatakan sebagai Silicon Valley untuk tekstil. Dengan kapasitas riset dan pengembangan, kemampuan desain yang inovatif serta ditunjang oleh begitu banyak tim dan talenta, tekstil Taiwan sepenuhnya mampu menghasilkan ide-ide kreatif dan mengembangkan produk-produk untuk berbagai macam aplikasi. Taiwan selalu hadir sebagai mitra untuk berbagai merek internasional. Perubahan iklim telah menyebabkan kerusakan lingkungan global, dan industri harus bertindak secara praktis untuk melindungi alam, melestarikan sumber daya, dan mengurangi tingkat polusi. Praktik daur ulang dan pemakaian ulang dilakukan untuk menciptakan model-model sirkular guna pengembangan yang berkelanjutan dan berketahanan. Melalui pengembangan IoT dan AI, keunggulan-keunggulan teknologi tinggi Taiwan diadopsi agar tetap terintegrasi dengan industri 4.0. Dalam hal tekstil pintar siap pakai demi memperkaya pengalaman pembeli dan menciptakan gaya hidup baru yang cerdas dan sehat, teknologi yang dimanfaatkan adalah teknologi interaktif AR dan VR. Taiwan menawarkan beragam tekstil untuk aneka aplikasi seperti untuk athleisure dan fashion, tekstil untuk kegiatan di alam terbuka dan olahraga, untuk perlengkapan rumah tangga dan gaya hidup, untuk medis dan perlindungan diri, serta untuk teknik dan industri. Demi memenuhi beragam kebutuhan gaya hidup. Industri tekstil Taiwan akan terus berinovasi, melakukan riset dan mengembangkan produk-produk hijau dan fungsional, dan mengembangkan rantai nilai yang berketahanan, dalam rangka menciptakan kemungkinan-kemungkinan tiada akhir demi kenyamanan hidup kita. Taiwan, Silicon Valley baru, industri tekstil global.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and our media friends, good afternoon. Welcome to join us at today's online webinar, Taiwan Excellence Textile Manufacturing Solution. I'm Jennifer, and I'm honored to be your MC today. Taiwan External Trade Development Council, with 63 offices worldwide, is Taiwan's foremost nonprofit trade promotion organization. We help to promote Taiwan industry through exhibitions, marketing, and trade missions. Today, we're jointly organized the webinar with Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade, the Ministry of Economic Affairs. We will focus on Taiwan textile machinery, which is famous around the world, and offering smart manufacturing solutions in the industry. Thanks to investment in R&D, advancements in manufacturing capabilities, and cross-industry collaboration, Taiwan has developed an integrated supply chain with different companies across the island specializing in areas such as man-made fiber manufacturing, weaving, spinning, dyeing, and finish, among others. Taiwan now accounts for 70% of the world's output of functional fabrics and is the sixth largest textile exporter globally. The export value of Taiwan's textile machinery was more than $450 million in 2020. Taiwan Excellence has gathered 4 keynote speakers from the world-leading enterprises in the textile industry, who will share industry insights and explore the future of the textile industry. The speakers include LOGICART Automation, PAILUNG Machinery, ACME Machinery, and HSINGCHENG Machinery to present their latest smart manufacturing solution during the free webinar. Before we start our webinar, I would like to invite the chairman of the Indonesia Textile Association, Mr. Jamie Katiwa Satramaja, to give us some remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a warm welcome.
Selamat siang, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Yang saya hormati para tamu, narasumber dari Taiwan, teman-teman media dan teman-teman industri TPT, dan juga seluruh peserta webinar online yang hadir. Pertama-tama saya ucapkan terima kasih atas undangan dari Taitra dan Praga untuk memberikan kata sambutan di acara webinar Taiwan Excellent Textile Manufacturing Solution yang diadakan bersamaan dengan Indo Intertech Virtual 2021. Saya ingin membagikan sedikit gambaran mengenai industri tekstil Indonesia di tengah-tengah pandemi COVID-19 yang masih berlangsung sampai hari ini. Sejak mengalami keterpurukan di kuartal pertama dan kedua di tahun 2020, industri tekstil mulai mengalami pemulihan dan mulai beroperasi 50% sampai 60% di kuartal ketiga dan terus menunjukkan perbaikan di kuartal keempat. Kami mengapresiasi bantuan pemerintah Indonesia yaitu dari Kementerian Perindustrian yang cukup serius mulai memperbaiki tata niaga dan pembenahan impor. Pemerintah sungguh memperhatikan neraca komoditas di mana kebutuhan tekstil per HS code dalam negeri dihitung dengan kemampuan industri dalam negeri untuk menentukan kuota impor yang diberikan sehingga tidak oversupply. Di sisi lain, kami melihat bahwa utilisasi TPT membaik yang ditandai dengan perbaikan di sektor hulu maupun hilir. Jika dilihat dari nilai importasi investasi, banyak teman-teman dari industri TPT merasakan ada harapan dan mempunyai keinginan untuk memperbaiki mesin yang usianya sudah tua. Industri hulu yang tadinya terdampak dari derasnya impor mulai mengalami perbaikan di utilisasi, mulai mengganti dengan mesin yang baru. Saya percaya melalui webinar Taiwan Excellent Textile Manufacturing Solution akan memberikan informasi yang sangat bermanfaat bagi teman-teman di industri TPT mengenai pilihan dan solusi teknologi dalam pemesinan yang ditawarkan oleh Taiwan, khususnya di teknologi manufaktur pintar dan otomatisasi yang sangat berperan penting dalam era transformasi digitalisasi industri 4.0 yang akan meningkatkan daya saing industri tekstil dalam negeri Indonesia ke depannya. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Mr. Jamie Katiwa Sasmajada, for your remarks. Today, we are very delighted to invite the former chairman of Indonesia Textile Association, Mr. S. Sadraja, to give us his welcome remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, now please join me in welcoming Mr. S. Sadraja.
Selamat siang, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Yang saya hormati para narasumber dari Taiwan, teman-teman media, dan teman-teman industri dari tekstil, produk tekstil, dan juga seluruh peserta webinar online yang hadir pada kesempatan yang baik ini. Pertama-tama, saya ucapkan terima kasih atas undangan dari Taitra dan Praga Nusantara untuk memberikan kata sambutan di acara webinar online tentang Taiwan Excellent Textile Manufacturing Solution yang diadakan bersamaan dengan Indo Intertech Virtual 2021. Saya ingin membagikan sedikit gambaran mengenai industri tekstil Indonesia di tengah-tengah pandemi COVID-19 yang masih berlangsung sampai dengan hari ini. Sejak mengalami keterpurukan di kuartal pertama dan kedua di tahun 2020, industri tekstil mulai mengalami pemulihan dan mulai beroperasi 50 sampai dengan 60% di kuartal ketiga dan terus menunjukkan perbaikan di kuartal keempat. Bahkan ekspor kita pada bulan Februari ini meningkat hingga 14% dibandingkan dengan Februari tahun lalu. Untuk itu, kami mengapresiasi bantuan pemerintah Indonesia yang cukup serius dari mulai memperbaiki iklim usaha melalui lahirnya Undang-Undang Cipta Tenaga Kerja beserta turunannya berupa peraturan pemerintah, juga berjalan secara paralel yaitu bagaimana menyehatkan seluruh masyarakat Indonesia melalui vaksin gratis bagi masyarakat Indonesia. Dalam hal impor, pemerintah secara sungguh-sungguh memberlakukan sistem neraca komoditas di mana kebutuhan tekstil per HS code dalam negeri dihitung dengan kemampuan industri dalam negeri untuk menentukan jumlah kuota impor yang diberikan sehingga tetap menjaga keseimbangan pasar serta merangsang pertumbuhan investasi di dalam negeri. Dari sisi lain, kami melihat bahwa industri tekstil dan produk tekstil membaik yang ditandai dengan perbaikan di sektor hulu dan hilir. Jika dilihat dari nilai importasi dan investasi, banyak teman-teman dari industri TPT merasa ada harapan dan mempunyai keinginan untuk memperbaiki mesin yang usianya sudah tua. Industri hulu yang tadinya terdampak dari derasnya impor mulai mengalami perbaikan di utilisasi hulu, mulai menggantikan mesin-mesin dengan mesin yang baru. Jika kita perhatikan statistik impor HS code dari permesinan tekstil Indonesia di tahun 2020, kami melihat angka yang cukup mengagetkan karena derasnya investasi di sektor tekstil di kuartal keempat. Mesin yang cukup banyak di kuartal ketiga dan keempat. Saya percaya melalui webinar Taiwan Excellent Textile Manufacturing Solution akan memberikan informasi yang sangat bermanfaat bagi teman-teman di industri tekstil dan produk tekstil mengenai pilihan solusi dan teknologi dalam permesinan yang ditawarkan oleh Taiwan, khususnya di teknologi manufaktur pintar dan otomatisasi yang sangat berperan penting dalam era transformasi digitalisasi industri 4.0 yang akan meningkatkan daya saing industri tekstil dalam negeri Indonesia ke depan. Terima kasih. Selamat mengikuti webinar.
Thank you, Mr. S. Sadajat, for your remarks. To begin with, we are pleased to welcome Mr. Ed Muharram, engineer from LOGICART Automation Corporation, Indonesia. LOGICART is one of the leading equipment manufacturers in dye house automation and became the only enterprise providing integrated textile dyeing and finish total solution platform, achieving smart production by lab-leading production and production guiding just-in-time and innovate architecture dye house.
Good day, I'm Fred Liang. Today, I'm very glad to introduce our company, LOGICART Automation, and the products we are proud of in Indonesia Intertext 2021. Hope this video could help you understand us more.
Oke, selamat pagi. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ade. Saya mewakili LOGICART Indonesia. Like first time atau RFC sangat penting untuk pencelupan tekstil karena ada begitu banyak variasi dan parameter dalam keseluruhan proses. Sehingga kami berusaha sebaik mungkin untuk membuat pencelupan tekstil menjadi lebih baik. Di sini saya ingin berbicara mengenai semangat LOGICART Automation. Misi kami adalah untuk membantu industri pencelupan tekstil dalam membuat keputusan produksi yang paling cerdas dan efisien. Visi kami adalah mempertahankan keunggulan solusi total di industri. Budaya perusahaan kami adalah belajar, kerja keras, turun-temurun, dan kerjasama tim. LOGICART dapat memberikan layanan kustomisasi untuk proyek pabrik pencelupan tekstil Anda. Kami akan melakukannya dengan evaluasi tata letak, pemeriksaan proses, dan rapat proyek untuk memberikan solusi terbaik bagi pengguna kami. Kami memiliki engineer support yang terlatih dan bersertifikasi dari LOGICART Taiwan. Kami memiliki kantor yang sangat strategis dan dekat dengan akses tol di Kota Bandung. Kami melayani area Bandung Raya termasuk Cimahi, Majalaya, Rancaekek, serta area di luar Bandung seperti Purwakarta, Karawang, Tangerang, Bekasi, Jakarta, dan area Jawa Tengah dan Jawa Timur seperti Semarang, Solo, dan Surabaya. Kami dapat membantu teknisi perusahaan Anda dalam penyelesaian masalah, baik secara langsung ataupun tidak langsung. LOGICART memiliki penilaian yang baik di mata pelanggan. Ada banyak perusahaan yang mempercayakan proses produksi dengan menggunakan mesin dari LOGICART, mulai dari mesin laboratorium dispensing, dye mesin control, serta sistem distribusi chemical dan dye stock. LOGICART melayani pasar Indonesia sudah sekitar 15 tahun. Kantor pusat kami di Taiwan memiliki pengalaman lebih dari 25 tahun. Kami peduli dengan pengguna kami, itulah mengapa kami memberikan kantor lokal untuk memenuhi kebutuhan pengguna. Tidak hanya menjaga produk kami, tetapi kami memahami apa saja kesulitan dalam produksi dan membantu pabrik untuk meningkatkan efisiensi dan kualitas. Kami, LOGICART Automation, memberikan keputusan paling cerdas dan efisiensi untuk Anda. Terima kasih.
LOGICART not only provide the equipment, we also provide the solution. This is the total solution for the die house. This solution includes the laboratory, distribution, process supervisor, and finishing. And this structure makes sure the total solution for the die house should be efficient. LOGICART also provide the consultant service, factory project planning. The planning have two kinds. One is new factory planning. Two is a current factory upgrade. This planning will be divided to 3 steps. First step is site evaluation. Second step is baseline examination. Third step is project meeting. We have many successful projects in Vietnam and Taiwan and China. And we also use the 3 modules to create our planning. This is a customization integration factory planning. This is an example for the new factory planning. This planning includes standardized automation and unmanned. It could help the die house to save the water usage, die stop waste, or improve RFT or other benefits. LOGICART solution will apply, such as die stop storage weighing system, or for the lab, tube-free dispenser, or the supervisor system for the factory. So LOGICART solution not only for the lab or the production, it also for the overall die house management. LOGICART not only provide the semi-auto powder weighing system, we also provide the fully automatic weighing system. Die stop dissolving system. This system not only dissolve the powder die stop, it also has the automatic washing and airing functions. And this system also includes the RFID technology. RFID could help the system find the correct buckets, and the system also includes the automatic drying system. LOGICART also provides the die stop distribution system. This system distributes the dissolved die stop to the dyeing machine, and the solution also includes the chemical weighing. One of LOGICART advantage is the localization. Our local service has extended to 50 countries. We are the business alliance with Data Color. We also have the regular global agent meeting. We have a local engineer team and a spare parts warehouse. We also provide the lifelong maintenance for LOGICART products with regular hardware software upgrade. We also provide a quick response service. This service is 24/7.
Thank you, Mr. Ed Muharram, for the sharing. Before we go through the following topics, here's a kind reminder. Please feel free to click the link on the screen to leave your questions. We will collect all questions after the presentations and get back to you soon. As for our next presenter, we are pleased to welcome Mr. Mason Zhao, the Marketing Assistant Manager of PAILUNG. PAILUNG Machinery is a world-famous supplier of knitting machines. Their knitting machines are custom-built for brands, designers, textile manufacturers, and contractors in the fashion, home, healthcare, and environmental textile industry. Today, Mr. Zhao will talk about why smart knitting and share the knowledge in the industry, which will help us increase productivity and efficiency in the textile industry. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Zhao.
Hi everyone, I am Mason. I am marketing staff in PAILUNG. As you see on the first page of this slide, today's topic is about smart knitting. What is that and why we need that? Please don't miss this opportunity and let PAILUNG and me show you the reason. What I'm going to show you is divided into three parts. The first one is about PAILUNG and why we call ourselves as a knitting solution provider. Then I will make an introduction why we need the smart knitting. At the last, I'm going to show you the smart knitting that PAILUNG provides, which is happening right now. Okay, after a brief outline, let us start now. PAILUNG never sees ourselves as the only knitting machine builder, but a knitting solution provider. We have lots of technology and experience which comes from many years, mutual cooperation with customers. As a result, we understand our customers' demand. They don't just need a fancy or multifunctional machine to help them. What they really count on is a knitting solution provider. And PAILUNG is the answer. You may ask, who is PAILUNG? We are a knitting machine builder. We help brand owners, designers, and manufacturers to develop innovative solutions. No matter it is machine optimization, production maximization, or new fabric structure that has never been seen in the world. We all put 100% effort in this. But why? Because our mission is to create a lasting innovation that needs collaboration with our customers. PAILUNG always takes collaboration very seriously because it is like an engine of a car drives whole company to the destination we want. Most importantly, we grow up with our customer together. You can find a reason why we care about innovation so much from our leader, Mr. James Wang. He had told us that focusing on collaboration is a way to both benefit us and our clients in improving the internal process, products, and even delivering the adding value to customers. So, keeping innovative and being willing to collaboration is the best way to being cutting edge in the market. We are very sophisticated in knitting industry that starts business in 1977, which means we have dedicated to the better knitting solution over 40 years. So we are not a newbie. We have supporting customers by over 30 agents covering at least 72 countries. We do have a strong service team in Indonesia too. So don't worry about the local service. There's an interesting thing about our innovative collaboration. I would like to give more details here. That special team in PAILUNG called Open Innovation Lab. Here it shows how we collaborate with customers. The top side is different roles of customers, and the bottom side means the internal role of Innovation Lab. What's it for? The Open Innovation Lab is a unique team being a consulting role that provides supportive info combining knitting machine side and the fabric technology side. It is a powerful knitting data bank because we have accumulated more than 6,000 types of fabrics in the past 40 years. The OIL also gives sampling, fabric analysis, and external training for clients. It's a rapid connection for collaboration between PAILUNG and clients. Back to the machine product, we keep chasing high-quality machine and well performance in production operation. On the slide, you see the types of machines. They are separated into knit tail, wave knit, and ready knit. Knit tail contains single layer, double layer, and other variety in circular knitting machines. The second one, wave knit, is the circular or flat knitting machine which produces wave-like fabrics, which means the fabric has the strength like a weave and the comfort like a knit. The last one is ready knit, just like the wording. This product is flat knitting machine and always ready for any type of fabrics. Above all, it's all about PAILUNG, a knitting solution provider. I haven't talked about the smart knitting, right? Let's head to the machine side and move to the main course. Here I stand is in front of the circular knitting, which equipped with smart knitting system. Before my explaining why we need smart knitting, let me tell you a true story about our customer who produces fabric in traditional way before, and what difficulties they face too. The story goes like this. A knitting factory in Asia owns over 2,000 circular knitting machines, which is a big-scale company. To managing this amount of machines with traditional way. The traditional way I refer to is relying on manual control and people's experience. Even that is equipped with electrical devices, it still counts on the technician's intelligence. So, here comes the first problem in yarn control. The yarn control includes the tension, feeding speed, and other factors. The managing people and the technician don't know how to synchronize all the yarn control in order to get the same result in fabric touch. If there comes a new fabric order, then it will take very long time to achieve the standard. Not to mention that is for only one machine adjustment, and there are dozens of machines waiting for manual adjustment. The second problem is fabric intelligence management. As we know, knitting factory doesn't only produce only one type of fabric, even if the factory produces less type of fabrics. There always comes out a new or a better version of a fabric based on the original type. So, how can you record and manage all the parameters that can be easily understood, transmitted, and performed by human and machines? Like the first problem we mentioned, yarn control is an issue the knitting factory faces too. It's also happening to mechanical adjustment due to different operators' observation and determination. There's always a difference in this. Even the knitting parameters and the yarn conditions all are the same. Those problems comes out over again and again, not just annoying operators and making them upset. This problem causes some issues that make managing people headache. By using traditional way of operating machines, it's very difficult in allocating workforce in an efficient way. It's difficult to manage and store all the fabric parameters properly. Through this way, it's not hard to find that fabric's quality is unstable, or you cost a lot of materials to accomplish the work order. From the resource aspect, you not only waste yarn, materials, and other resources, you also lose your precious time. That is a huge cost. So, what is the solution? I would say smart knitting is the future, and not just future. It's happening right now. Why do I say that? Because it's happening right now in PAILUNG's innovation. Here is the illustration of PAILUNG's smart knitting system. It's separated into top and bottom areas. The top area shows how the knitting data is delivered from database to knitting machines in the factory. Conversely, the machine message is also sent back to the database. In this part, the smart knitting provides knitting parameter management, production monitoring, and resource optimization. It makes sure everything is on the right track. And the bottom area shows the connection between machines and the web service. Normally, this web service is set up in the headquarters or outside of the factory. In this part, smart knitting system mainly performs the control demand which comes from work order. It helps doing yarn control, mechanism control, and detection control, so as to do the adjustment immediately and precisely. Later, we talk about the function of smart knitting. Now we are showing the benefit we bring to customers. It shows you the reasons why we should choose the smart knitting replacing the existing way. Comparing to the past, it took 4 hours to manage the preparation before knitting. Now, it only takes half time to do the pre-work. And don't forget that it only shows one machine situation. If there are many, for example, 20 machines, and the disparity will be a huge amount. And due to the precise control by digitalized and the electronic adjustment instead of manual control, the production error rate goes down to the 2%, which means it reduces 3%. That greatly lowers the costs from unnecessary waste. In machine operation, shutdown by unexpected problem could protect the machine from damage, but also it takes time and the cost to fix it. Smart knitting system could deduct 2% down from 3% to 1% in the shutdown occurring rate. That's all because of the accuracy upgrade by smart knitting system. As I mentioned before, the smart knitting machine could provide better manpower allocation and replace manual adjustment. It totally saves 80% of the labor cost, but it does not mean the technicians should be laid off. They could be trained and assigned to do value-added work. This creates more economic benefit to the company. The last benefit I show you is work scheduling efficiency. Previously, the time from managing the schedule to dispatching the work order is 60 minutes. Now it shortens to 3 minutes to assign a command. It really gets a great change on that. At the end of this presentation, I would like to sum up all the benefits of smart knitting. Due to its rapid response and direct control from machines to the remote site back and forth, the smart knitting is quick, precise, and smart to respond to the market demand, fabric consistent quality, and resource management. It's definitely a must. All the knitters should catch up. If you have interest or any question, please feel free to contact us. Your question are welcome to be sent through the email, or you can check out our website to get more info. Again, thanks for your time and listening. I'm Mason. See you.
Thank you, Mr. Zhao, for giving us a splendid speech. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please feel free to click the link on the screen to submit your questions, and we will get back to you soon. So after the presentations given above, we are now excited to see how these technologies could be used in business and production. Therefore, we are very pleased to welcome Mr. Qirong Zhang, Managing Director from ACME. ACME Machinery was founded in 1985 in Taiwan. The organization specializes in manufacturing a series of high-tech low-liquor radio dyeing machines that are currently used by many dye houses in more than 20 countries. Mr. Zhang will introduce new generation eco-friendly intelligent conveyor drive dyeing machine. So now, please welcome Mr. Zhang.
Hello everyone, my name is Xie Zhang. I'm the Managing Director of ACME Machinery Industry Company Limited. The ACME Machinery Industry Company Limited was established in 1985, specializing in manufacturing various kinds of dyeing machines. By professional technology and practical attitude, ACME strives to achieve perfect products. For more than 30 years, we have focused on research and development with energy saving and carbon reduction as the main axis of design in order to encourage the research and innovation. Once we develop a new product, then we give a different kind of Chinese facial makeup to be the symbol of that new product for highlighting our company's business strategy of innovation and change. Nowadays, the Earth is facing very serious water and energy shortage, and also very serious pollution problem. Therefore, how to save water, save energy, reduce carbon, reduce pollution? has become the most important issue all over the world. That means how to achieve the green economy has become the world trend. Unfortunately, the dyeing industry is not only one of the biggest consumers of the water and energy, but also one of the biggest producer of the pollution. Therefore, how to save the water of the dyeing machine, that means how to minimize the leak ratio of dyeing machine, has become the most important target of dyeing machine design. However, it seems easy, but actually it is almost a mission impossible. On the drawing, you can see that the conventional dyeing machine, when it's running, the fabrics is soaking and swimming in the water. So it wastes about 65% of the total water volume to float and move the fabrics. If the water level is too low, then the fabrics will be accumulated like a stranded boat. The fabrics stop moving and the machine cannot run it. When we know this fact, we got a new idea. We try to move the fabrics by mechanical force instead of water. So after more than 20 years of research, and finally we successfully developed the new generation dyeing machine, the ACME, Intelligent Conveyor Drive High Pressure Constant Speed Dyeing Machine. You can see on the cross-section drawing that inside the machine is equipped with a conveyor. Now the fabrics is moving by the conveyor, not by water. So the leak ratio of this modern machine is only 1:2.5 to 3.5. More than 65% water is no more needed, and more than 65% energy, power, chemical, wastewater, and carbon dioxide also reduced. This modern machine not only highly reduced the production cost, but also completely solved the pollution problem. Therefore, we give a green color facial makeup to be the symbol of this modern machine and to emphasize its core value of the green economy. On the table, you can see how much water consumed between the conventional and the ACME dyeing machine. For example, to dye the cotton with spandex fabrics by conventional dyeing machine need about 125 liter water, but by the ACME conveyor dyeing machine only needed 20 liters water. Moreover, the energy, power, and chemical also reduced, so you can save about $120,000 per year by only one machine. Moreover, it can reduce the carbon emission about 270 tons per year. Although the construction of this machine and the controller is very complicated, this machine is fully automatically controlled, so it is easy for the operator. When loading the fabrics, since the fabrics is almost dry, so can keep the floor dry and clean, improve the working place environment. This new modern machine not only can help dye house make much more profit, but also can protect the environment, especially improve the enterprise image. This new generation dyeing machine is the first and only one in the world. It has been awarded worldwide patents in more than 20 countries, with a total of more than 200 pieces of patent certificates. No doubt, this is the best choice of the dye house. We are proud that ACME has accomplished what was impossible of conventional dyeing machine, and making the green economy dream of the dyeing industry come true.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang, for your wonderful presentation. I believe that all of you are eager to know more revolution solutions from Taiwan. Next, we will have Mr. Evan Lin from HSINGCHENG to introduce their latest product. HSINGCHENG has been committed to innovate in textile machinery for 37 years. The focus on manufacturing textile-related machines makes them become one of the leading companies in textile industry. In order to maintain the strength in the global market, they aim to provide high-efficiency machines, good quality design, and satisfying services. Finally, we will present you continuous washing range in rope form. Please welcome Mr. Evan Lan, the Sales Assistant Manager of HSINGCHENG Machinery Corporation.
Let's take a look to our welding workshop. As you can see, from the small components to the big washing tank are all welded by our worker. And the worker will follow the designer's drawing and the patterns to finish the scale weldings and the fitting parts. Also, all of the washing chambers are modular assembling design, which means it can easy to installation in customer factory. If customer requests a huge capacity, the modules can be expanded the size at the same time. In addition, we can provide the whole package plan, including offer the washing machines to the fabric inspection machines and the auto packing systems for the new factory. Here is our assembling line, and this is the continual oil removing washing machines, and thus we can offer the customer design according to their fabrication and the inquiry. This is our automatic warehousing systems. The computer management systems can complete the first in, first out command to reduce the inventory. Also, the auto transfer system can reduce the tearing time and no need to handle by man force, and which can save more labor costs. Also, the automatic storage system is directly supplied to the production line as a package, so it can save more space in the assembling area. And without the human force to deliver the goods, we can achieve a safer working environment. Hello, I'm Elfie from HSINGCHENG Machine Sales Team. Today, I would like to introduce our company and the new series of the washing machine. HSINGCHENG Machine was established since 1984. We have 4 factories around the world, including Taiwan, China, Vietnam, and Thailand. We are specialized in manufacture the textile pretreatment machines, such as oil remove shrinkage machine, boil of continuous desizing scouring machine, continuous bleaching machine, cold pipe batching machine, and for the wet finish, including after printing wash machine, tensionless dryer, compactors machine, and the mercerized machine. Also, we have the auto package system for the fabric roll. The new launch of the continuous wash range in roll format, which can save energies and water consumption. These machines have multiple applications, such as cotton knitting fabric for the bleaching and inside washing, cotton woven for bleaching, inside soaping, fixing, washing, and the synthetic woven fabric for fixing, soaping, reduction, cleaning, washing, printing fabric for after printing wash, synthetic knitting fabric for fixing, soaping, reduction, cleaning, wash. The fabric pack is in pinpoint color. You can refer it. And the washing step is the first chamber is for the roll foam washing, and the third chambers for the dosing, and the 4th chambers for the neutralize, and the 5th chambers for roll foam washing. And the final step is the continuous sculpture and the hydro extraction. The main technical features: first, the working speed is around 40 meters per minute. Second, each chamber can contain 400 meters of the fabric. Third, fabric residual time in each chamber is around 10 minutes. 4. The overflow and the backflow system can make full use of the water resources. 5. The auto dosing system can deliver chemical agents automatically and precisely. 6. Each equipped with the auto filter and the floor cleaning to avoid contaminations by the impurities. 7. Each chamber equipped with 2 nozzles, which provide the request pressures and the flow rate for the washing process. So how to continue washing range to save energies? We use the conventional 600 kg style lot for residual cleaning to compare with 3 chambers of the continuous washing machine to do the reduction clean test. The working condition is as below. Under the same working condition, please refer the test results. The continuous washing machines can save 379 9 tons of the water and the 335 kilowatt of the electricity and the 33 tons of the steam than the conventional style lot. If you need more information, please check on our website or email for us. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Lin, for your wonderful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Taiwan Excellence Textile Manufacturing Solution online webinar has come to an end. And for those who are joining us online, I believe you have left your questions by using the link on the screen. If you haven't, you can click on the link which we have provided below in the video caption to submit your questions. We will collect the question and forward them to each speaker, then reply via email and QA link. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our press conference today. We appreciate your participation, and we also hope that this event will help you gain a better understanding of the new trend development in Taiwan. Please feel free to scan the QR code and fill up the post-event to help us improve our service. In the next few weeks, we will hold more online conference, and you are more than welcome to join us again. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to follow us. You can also follow our Facebook fan page for more latest activity information. Please stay healthy with Taiwan Excellence. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.